Gang, 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 gang. What's good, YouTube gang? Yes, man, we already know what time it is. Now, done back in the lab, man. We're there with another reaction. You see me and say, until we're there with another one. We're there with none other than Tamale Sparta and Uncle Sparta. Who Uncle Sparta again? Yeah, man, the one in Maddest life. I'll check it out and see dog my David. They don't know Tamale. You don't know Tamale. Bad artist already. Dog create a whole genre and a dancer. We don't have to go over that. Too much time. You see me and say, so who know and who don't know, I guess you need to go do your research and get up to the music. But anyway, gang, we'll jump right into the one. Yeah, man, Tamale Sparta and Uncle Sparta Maddest life. Let's get it.
Rich lifestyle, and the Maddest life. Never know say it's a life now. Big guy, money me love you and I don't know why. And look money me love you and I don't know why. Rich lifestyle, me a go bury me gun them boy.
Hey, yo, hey, that's I live it up time. Ball me in a Paris. And that dog I deal with. What you?
Clean like whistle. Rock boy you can feature them a bitch ya.
Oh, the dog, yeah, the dog they do, but you know what I mean,
Like a pepper saying you forget a real button. Family come here the evilest one. VVS, cause it be clean like biscuit. My time and I guess left a night you just trip. Scared the beast, traffic body prestige. None of them can stop this boy.
None of them can stop it. I talk true now, man. Talk true.
Lifestyle, Maddest life. Never know, say it's a life night.
Yes.
Car, big pipe, money, me love you and I don't know why.
Sure.
Jagai, in this time, me have to decide we not slide. Yo, big pipe, money, me love you and I don't know why.
Money we love you and don't know why. We know why, because we get things done. Without money, we can't take care of family. Without money, we can't take care of ourselves. Without money, we can't take care of bills. Without money, we can't make certain moves. So we need the money. I know so we love the money, but we love what the money can do, because we have to can take care of family, don't it? As a man, we have to can take care of family, you know. You see me, I say whether you have kids or not. You see me, you must have mother, you have father, you have grandmother, you have auntie, you have uncle, you have cousins. And you see me, I say, and even though, yeah, they you know, suppose you can take care of yourself. We are, as a man, one can help out. So that's why we love the money, you know. We have to get to the bag, man, for real.
Yeah, me need a sister. Tough bag big like cash register.
Yeah, man, and we need the money for achieve certain goals and certain dreams. You see me, I say, because as you don't know, as a yard man, we have to born, we born with ambition already. And you see me, I say, we have big dreams and I want to accomplish them all, don't it? Yes.
The cash, the whisper. Hey, Sparta, Blacks, Costa Rica. Yo, we don't stop chopping like a we a stocky whole cake.
Yeah.
Sparta, you know we lucky whole place.
Yeah.
Two bitches have a fucking whole day.
Yeah.
This be how we hold the hell gate.
Clean man, so this one open the hell gate. Hey, you what going now? Nobody with it. But sometimes we have to bother with it. Go on, you.
Maddest life, never know say it's a life night. Car, big pipe, money me love you and I don't know why. Jagai, in this time, me have to decide we not slide. Yo, big guy, money me love you and I don't know why.
She, go on, you.
Clean like whistle. Rock boy, you can feature them a bitch ya. Wrist like a pepper saying you forget a
Clean. When you say that, I say clean like a whistle. What?
like a pepper saying
We dog say a while ago.
ya. Wrist
What land them, I miss it.
boy, you can feature them a bitch.
What the bum, I mean, I put it up far enough.
Clean like whistle. Rock boy, you can feature them a bitch ya. Wrist like a pepper saying you forget a real button. Family come here the evilest one. VVS, cause it be clean like biscuit. My time and I guess left a night you just trip. Scared the beast. None of them can stop this boy.
None of them can stop this boy. Oh, I'm told go on.
Lifestyle, Maddest life. Never know say it's a life night.
Why? Don't know why. Yes, man. Nice.
The show.
Man. Tamale. Why? Tamale Sparta. Let's go. Pass Sparta and boss back at it. One thing about that one there. That one kind of short, but me like the vibe and the energy, you know. You see me, sometimes you don't need a long song with a bag of talking and a bag of lyrics. Sometimes you just need like a vibe, a little energy. People don't know what them thing there, you know. Anyway. One thing about that one gang, let me know in the comment section. You see me and say Spartan boss back at it doing him thing. You already know, blow why I keep on. You see me Spartan boss back at it doing him thing, man. You see me, it's a good look, guys. Let me know what you think about that one in the comment section. Yeah, let's chop out. By the way, guys, check out my second channel. You already know what time it is. I've been going crazy over there. You see me, I say I'll be going live on Twitch and I go on live on my second channel, Jambisco Live. Check it out if you like that type of content. You already know what time it is, guys. Till next time, take care of yourself and each other, guys.